Hello everyone, hope you are safe and sound. Today we are here to learn how to place any design on t-shirt. It is super easy to place anything on t-shirt. So follow me, how do I do? I draw a shape for make a place for my design. So I choose the shape, rectangle shape, and I draw rectangle shape. I make rectangle shape layer a smart object. Double click the smart object and open the layer of the smart object. And now you can see I am using the smart object place. So now what I do? I go to the file and place embed my design. After place embed my design, and then I delete my old rectangle. Control is to save my file. So now you can see my design is here. Making it more realistic, Control plus D and right click on it and select the wrap option. And now we can adjust it and make it more realistic. To adjust the color, select the color multiply and adjust it like this. To make a group of a smart object layer, by click Ctrl plus G, and manually you can also do it. Right click on it and select the group from layer. Now I want to remove the cutout area by using mask. Press Alt key and click on the t-shirt layer. Now I use quick selection tool to make a selected area to apply my design on the t-shirt. Just like this, I want to make my selection area for my design. So I want to my design only on present on these areas. Now apply mask on group. Simply drag the group on the top of the mask. It will be applied. And check the group layer and see the mask is applied. And you can see unwanted areas are cut out. And now specific areas are looking my design. Why I applied mask on the group? Because I put many layers and startup group. And the mask will be applied all layers. Hold Alt key, press the t-shirt layer and click the channel, and now hold the Control key and click the RGB layer. Now I open the curve adjustment layer to make it a little brighter. And Ctrl+J to duplicate to make a little more darker. Now I adjust the opacity of the curve layer adjustment and to make it a more realistic, a little brighter. And Ctrl+J to duplicate and make a little more brighter. Making the design softer, realistic, applying the blur. Let's go to Filter, Blur and Gaussian Blur to apply a Gaussian blur. Now the design is ready and t-shirt is ready as looking very fantastic. And now I can apply many kind of design because I have made a smart object and I just double click this smart object, open it and apply any kind of design I want. Sorry for taking your time and thank you very much for watching my video, and please, it's my humble request, subscribe my channel and share, comment. I will be thankful. Thank you very much. Allah bless you.